Thanks to all Patreons and channel members for supporting me. I'll be releasing project files to my Patreons and exclusive tutorials for channel members. For details, please check link in description. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is MrWhizz. Welcome back to my channel. This is a short vlog video on the replicated template that I'm working on. So I added ADS to this. Let me show you. So I've put it in a way that if you just right click and hold, it will go to the normal aiming, and if you double click and hold, it will go to the ADS. You can adjust the camera's position uh, on the weapon to adjust the location. One other. This will be added in the next update of the replication template. Thanks for watching. Bye.